The Lithuanian Ministry of National Defense signed a $213 million deal Friday with its U.S. counterpart for 4 Lockheed Martin U-60M Black Hawk helicopters. The deal marks the first acquisition of American helicopters in the Lithuanian military's history. The contract, which was signed during an official visit by Lithuanian Defense Minister Raimundas Karoblis to Washington, D.C., also covers the procurement of additional equipment, spare parts, and a training, repair and logistical support package, the ministry said in a statement. The new helos will enable Lithuania to replace its outdated Soviet-built Mi-8T copters with Western-made copters as part of the country's military modernization efforts. By dropping the last Soviet relic aircraft and progressing to a Western helicopter platform, we are beginning a completely new phase for the Lithuanian Air Force and moving in step with US and other most advanced NATO allies' militaries, the minister said. Deliveries are scheduled to begin in late 2024, and the agreement gives the country an option to buy a further 2 helicopters. As part of the deal, the US government will support the acquisition project with an allocation of €25 million.